Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a wiki page in Confluence. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, click on Spaces. Then, select the space where you want to add your wiki page. Once in, on the left, beside the Content option, click on the plus sign button, and then from the options, choose on Page. Here, you can go ahead and give a title to your page. This will serve as your wiki one. Now, at the bottom, you can go and click on the All Templates options. And here, you will see different templates that you can choose from. Choose a template that fits your purpose. Once selected, the page will open a pre-filled structure. Just replace the placeholder content with your own. Then once done, click on the Publish button at the top. Templates helps you keep things consistent, especially if you're building a larger knowledge base. Here, you can also go ahead and click on the Share button at the top right, so you will be able to control who can view and edit your content and add your teammates. And there you have it. You now have your wiki page, which is a shared space where you and your team can store and organize information. Think of it like a living document, perfect for team knowledge, how-to guides, documentation, policies, and internal processes. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.